Ways African Heritage Spicy Chickpeas. Start with 1 medium-sized yellow onion. Chopped finely. Grate fresh ginger. One can of crushed tomatoes and 2 cans of chickpeas in olive oil.
Yeah. Great. I can't see. What is it at?
Do you have
It's at 350.
you have a trash bin up there?
There's a trash bin right here, yeah. So we have the onions in here. So the next thing we're going to do is as the onions start to brown, we're going to put in the seasonings. So just follow the recipe and use the measured amount. And then these are the required seasonings, but these are the extra seasonings. These you don't have to measure, just sprinkle them in as you please. And let them toast with the onions. Go ahead. Yeah.
Professional.
Of allspice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All 4. Yeah. We'll do the floor.
I don't have to make this too. I've never had this.
Ooh, that smells so good.
It smells like Africa.
So you can use the spatula to kind of get out the extra if you want. So perfect.